In order to use this template, all you have to do is go inside your project area over here to your left, double click inside this area over here, and then you will simply select, actually first you will navigate your logo destination and select your logo, and then simply double click to import the file. Then you will go inside your render folder. Actually before that, go inside your edit folder, and here you will have a logo holder composition. So double click to access this composition. Here you can delete the previous logo that was there, so just grab the layer and press delete. Then you can drop your new layer that you've imported. And then here with your layer selected, you can press S for scale and maybe scale this down and make any positioning adjustments that required. And you can move this upwards or downwards. And for example, if you want to add a tagline to this as well, you can do so here. So you can select your text tool and simply add a tagline like so, and then you will have to position this as well. Alright, and then if you go back into your render composition, so double click to access this one. Alright, here you can see at the end, you can check out how your logo will look in the video. So after you make all the necessary adjustments, you can go to composition, you can go to pre-render. Inside custom AV, you will select your format in which you want to render. Don't forget to select audio output if you want to export the sound effects as well. Hit OK, give this a name and a location, and then all you have to do is press render and you're done. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. That's it. Thanks for watching.